Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to learn SAP for beginners using the easy method. This is a great way to understand how the business system works on your learning path so you can use it for your job without getting confused. Let's get into it. First, open your private options menu. The first step is to open your main account browser, sign in with your user details, and find the main personal corner where your training tools live. Open your web browser, look at the main navigation bar, and click on your profile on the top right of the screen. Wait for the small white choice panel to slide open right underneath your picture. Because you cannot find the training tools on the public company page, you have to open this private list so the system knows who is trying to access the training files. Without this step, you would just be looking at a basic homepage instead of your personal learning dashboard. Next, enter the resources directory. You need to use the options panel to jump away from your main page and load up the full catalog of study materials. Look at the lists on your screen. From the drop-down, select Learning and then Browse All Resources. Click the text link cleanly with your mouse and let the system redirect you to the main study library page. Because the business system keeps its training files organized inside a huge master catalog, by choosing this specific menu option, you tell the computer to show you every single help file available for new users. It ensures you bypass the basic help text and head straight to the real classroom files. Next, browse by learning type. Now that you are inside the main library room, you need to slide down the web page to find the specific categories that fit how you like to study. Use your mouse wheel to move down the page, and inside you can scroll down until you can browse by learning type. Look at the center of your screen until you see the row of large clickable choice boxes. By moving to this specific area, you can filter out heavy text documents and find the exact training format that matches your personal speed. It is the key step to getting the right output, so you do not waste time reading things that do not help you. Next, pick your study style option. The final step is to click on one of the main style boxes like the guided pathways, training tapes, or live practice blocks to start your first real lesson. Choose a box like learning journeys, videos, live sessions, or hands-on practice to open up your first practice module. Click on the option that lets you test out the buttons yourself and follow the screen prompts to finish the task. Once you complete your first practice round, you'll understand how the real system works without any fear of breaking company files. Now your basic training setup is complete and you are ready to use the tool safely. And that's pretty much it. To learn SAP for beginners, you must first click on your profile on the top right. Then you move through the menu and select Learning and Browse All Resources. Next, you scroll down to Browse by Learning Type to see your options. Finally, you choose a path like learning journeys, videos, live sessions, or hands-on practice to finish your lesson. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.